Welcome to Explore It Anywhere. Today we're going to explore the ancient city of Side. It is located at modern-day Antalya, Turkey. During the peak of its time, this ancient city could accommodate around 60,000 people. It is a very huge city, and we're going to use train to go to the end of the city. We can see the ruins of the homes and shops of many buildings. Some of those buildings still preserves the mosaics from the ancient time. Archaeologists also found a hospital from the 6th century in the city. Shortly, we're going to enter this ancient city of Side through the monumental gate and Vespasian monument. This gate was erected probably to honor the Emperor Vespasian. Probably it was constructed in 4th century. So we are in front of the ancient theater of Side. It is actually admired and considered to be the largest ancient theater in Anatolia region. It was built in 2nd century AD. It could accommodate around 20,000 people. It has the similar structure of the Roman Colosseum. It serves as a venue for both theater performance and gladiator fights with wild animals during Roman period. During Byzantine period, the theater was used as an open-air church. There is reconstruction work is being carried out to preserve and restore the theater to its former glory. So mainly I'm going to the modern part of the city. We're going to visit the Temple of Apollo, and then we're going to see the beautiful ocean from this city. And also right beside the Temple of Apollo, there are a few beautiful Roman buildings that I want to show you. This part of the ancient city of Side is actually currently being inhabited by the people. Just like the old town of Antalya, this city is also very festive, very gorgeous. At the end of this road, we're going to see the beautiful port of Side, and then right beside the port, we're going to see the Temple of Apollo. Although this part of this ancient city is being inhabited by the people, it was also part of the ancient city of Side. Every now and then you are going to see that the archaeologists have allocated a space and they're excavating a new site. Even in this part of the town where you can see the modern buildings. So this town is filled with gift shops, sweet shop, fruit shops, and this part of the town is very active. Let's talk about history of this city so that you can appreciate this city a little bit more. In the year of 333 BC, Alexander the Great occupied Side without any struggle, and he left Side leaving only single garrison behind to occupy the city. Mainly, this occupation introduces the Hellenistic culture in this city. Later, this city was captured by Seleucid Empire. Roman Empire regained the control of the city by the command of Roman General Pompey. And during Roman time, it became one of the prosperous cities of Asia Minor. And Side used to mint its own money. The people of Side spoke their own language before the 2nd century. Side also established itself as a slave trading center in the Mediterranean region. A large number of ships of this port city was involved in piracy. And we are standing in front of Athena and Apollon Temple. The construction of the temples dates back to the 2nd century. This is a very lovely place, but I have failed to anticipate the beauty of this city, so I did not allocate enough time for it, which I regret. Just beside the Temple of Apollo and Athena, we can see the basilica from 15th century. It has the most amazing design. When I'm going to walk you in front of it, you are going to see. If you plan to visit this city, please allocate more time. Please allocate a full day for this trip and don't leave this city until sunset. I have been told that this is a great place to enjoy the sunset. This basilica was formed in Byzantine period. The church was built on the foundations of the ancient temples. Later, it was been abandoned for some unknown reason. And just behind this building, this ruins, there are like numerous restaurants, and they serve great foods. Now that we have experienced the ruins from the ancient city of Side, it is time for us to enjoy the beautiful ocean. Look at the pirate Buddhism's boat. It reminds us that this boat has been used by the pirates. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe this channel. In the ancient language, the name Side means pomegranate, and this city was famous for its pomegranate. That's why they named this city after this fruit. I cannot leave this city without trying out their pomegranate, can I? And yes, they have the most delicious pomegranate I have ever had. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.